Hi everyone, I'm Divanshu and in this video I'm going to show you how I built a smart automation using make.com. So the goal was to save time by automating my cookie order process that used to take me 20 to 30 minutes per order. I used to do it. It used to be like for most of the business it's very manual thing. So we want to automate this. Now at the beginning I had a Google form here which where customers submitted their cookie orders and then I had to manually add each order to a Google sheet, send an email to confirm the order and notify my team on Telegram. So this was repetitive and error prone. Now how I set up automation on make.com is I used it for automation workflow. I made a trigger for Google form submission. So I connected my Google form using makes watch response trigger. I copied the form ID from URL and pasted it into setup here, and I connected a Google Sheet as the destination. Now I mapped the Google Sheet. I have the Google Sheet as destination. So yeah, this is the Google Sheet as destination. I mapped each field from to form name. So here I have name, email type, cookie, and everything else. Let's just delete these rows because I wanted to test it initially. So I have set a limit of 10 only. Yeah. Okay. So now that was there. So there's a filter. I have added a filter to allow only India-based shipping address. So the address must contain India. Then only it will pass on to the Google Sheet and then on to a router. Now once that is done, we send a thank you email, an email model to send a confirmation to the customer, including their name, order quantity, and cookie type, and notify on Telegrams. So I set up a bot using bot father, got the bot token, and added the send a message module to post a message in my Telegram group. This message includes like dynamic values like customer name, cookie type, and quantity. So for testing and scheduling, I'll just show you how this works. We have a form here. So okay, let's have this as the first email. Yeah, I already have these things. And then again, let's see here. All right. So now I should have these two values right here. Yeah. Um, Now let's just start running it. Run once. So as you can see, I have got a Telegram message here. I would have also got email. Here. S- So yeah, and after this, I'll schedule it to run every 15 minutes, so I don't have to touch it anymore. This make scenario saved me time every week as it's automated, and also will minimize manual errors, giving much more time for business owners to focus on something else.